Kate and I'm a volunteer with ATPF. Today I'll be explaining how to draw a snowman. Today you're going to need a piece of paper and something to draw with. What you're going to start out with is drawing one big circle. It can start out by looking like this. Then you're going to add a slightly smaller circle right on top. Like this. Then you're going to add an even smaller circle above that. It's okay if the circles aren't perfect. So then for the snowman, you're going to draw 2 dots for eyes, just like that. And then you're going to draw a few dots in the form of a U. This makes it look like coal for a smile. Then you're going to draw a sideways triangle shape for the nose. Then you're going to add 2 lines coming out of the circle and 2 more lines coming out from that to show the sticks. Then you're going to draw 3 small circles in the snowman, color them in so that it looks like the buttons on the snowman. Then you're going to draw a little rectangle on top of the snowman's head and then an upside down U shape or rainbow shape. Then you can color that in, and this is going to be the snowman's top hat. You can choose whether or not you want to draw a scarf. I am not going to add a scarf, but you can if you want. Usually snowmans are white from the snow, but if you want to color in the nose orange, then that's okay too. At the end, it should look something like